Hi there, I'm Rose Jacobs here with you for kalkinemedia. Today we're going to look at two mid-cap stocks to buy. But first, of course, make sure you do press that bell icon for all of the latest updates right here on kalkinemedia. Mid-cap stocks can often offer some very interesting investment options, as these stocks have less volatility compared to smaller cap stocks. Due to some stocks being temporarily impacted by the ongoing supply chain issues, Brexit and more, some good FTSE 250 stocks are still trading below their 2020 levels and can be a value buy. Let's explore two FTSE 250 index listed stocks: Moneysupermarket.com Group and RHI Magnesita, and we'll see how they are faring. Moneysupermarket.com is a financial services price comparison site. The group, in its latest trading statement, reported that total revenue in the third quarter of 2021 dropped by 10% to £76.4 million. Though its revenues fell in the third quarter, its gross margins continued to remain strong. The company said that it would be acquiring a 100% stake in the leading consumer cashback firm, Maple Syrup Media, which trades as Quidco. The group will acquire Quidco for an initial cash consideration of £87 million and a further deferred amount of £14 million. The company became the highest riser on the FTSE 250 index following the news. RHI Magnesita is a supplier of refractory products, systems and services. The company, in its third quarter 2021 trading update, said that its financial year 2021 earnings before interest, tax and depreciation and amortisation might remain between €280 million and €310 million, which would depend upon price and cost increases. The company had earlier expected its financial year 21 EBITDA to be at €310 million. Magnesita also said its third quarter profitability was weaker than anticipated, in line with the first half of 2021 due to cost increases such as sea freight and demurrage costs, higher energy prices, consumable expenses and more. RHI Magnesita also reported its plans to acquire an 85.22% stake in Turkey-based refractory producer Sormas for a cash consideration of €38.8 million as part of its strategy to increase presence into underrepresented territories. To sum it up, while some mid-cap FTSE 250 stocks can be of good quality, investors must keep an eye out for how companies are managing rising cost pressures and shortages due to nationwide supply chain issues, such as Brexit and other factors. If you like what you have learnt and heard here today, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and go to kalkinemedia.com for all the latest. I'm Rose Jacobs, and I'll see you next time.